The healthcare system around the world are putting pressure on pharma and biotech customers in terms of cost pressure. They are being faced with that. So because of that, it's very important that firms, so to say our customers, get a fast time to market approach and also try to minimize some part of regulatory complexity during project phase. The Federal Water for Injection service is a syringe service we have since year 2009. We offer our customers 5 years of stability data. That meaning the product is already developed. They don't have this whole package of work from themselves. We already developed the product for them. And so it's ready to go. It's ready to be launched. It's a great service that we offer to pharma and biotech customers that allows them to launch their product in a fast manner. So fast time to market and getting competitive edge. Compared to a diluent vial, a water for injection syringe offers a lot of advantages to patients and healthcare providers alike. So you must think they have much less steps to reconstitute their product. So the kit is smaller, is easier to handle. Another great aspect about our syringe is that we use high quality packaging materials, and we also have a tamper evident seal which is patented by Federer. And I think those aspects are for sure aspects that support product differentiation. If you got interested and want to know more about Federer service for water for injection, please join me on this webinar on June 30, and I'll be happy to meet you there. In the meantime, if you want to get more information about our Federer water for injection filling service, visit our website at federer-pharma.com.